leader of the Minnesota Supreme Court is blazing a trail as the state's first black Chief Justice.
Brittany Ehrman sat down one-on-one with Natalie Hudson to hear how her background will shape the work she hopes to accomplish on the bench.
Charles Hamilton Houston used to talk about lawyers being change agents in our society. And I thought that's what I want to do.
But instead, Natalie Hudson went above and beyond, climbing to the pinnacle of the Minnesota Supreme Court as the first black Chief Justice.
It took, over a century for that to happen here in Minnesota, but it has happened. And so I'm honored by that.
She credits her parents for their education-first mentality, opening up a world of opportunity for Hudson.
That was our ticket to middle class. That was our ticket to doing whatever it was we wanted to do to fulfill our dreams.
Did you ever think you would end up here?
No. No, not at all. And it wasn't until mid-career or so, I had practiced for about 20 years, that I began to even think about being a judge.
Hudson explained she wanted to be on the other side of the bench to be a decision maker.
Many times the effects that the law has had on black people and people of color has been a negative one. And so we've been the subject of the law in many negative ways, but we've had very little to do with the development of the law.
Taking a look at Minnesota's past of injustice, what does it mean to you to be the face of justice right now?
I recognize the role that I play, and I think it's important for me to give voice to maybe some communities that have not always had a voice or as strong of a voice, to make sure that when you're at a table where decisions are being made, to look around and say, who's not here?
She also plans to focus on additional funding for civil legal services so the justice system is accessible to everyone. Hudson stands on the shoulders of trailblazers before her, like Justice Alan Page.
He's been a tremendous mentor and supporter, and the first African-American on the Minnesota Supreme Court.
Now she hopes to inspire those who follow in her path.
So I would just encourage them to know that they can do it, to put that in your mind, that this is achievable for me if I'm willing to work hard to do it.
Brittany Ehrman, 5 Eyewitness News.